Pulse oximeter reading. This could save your life. A pulse oximeter is a small device that can have a big impact on your life. In fact, it could warn you if your life is in danger and you need to seek urgent medical help. In this video, we will look at what a pulse oximeter is, how it is used, and most crucially, what the readings tell you about the state of your health. What is a pulse oximeter? A pulse oximeter is a small, clip-like device that is most commonly placed on a finger. It is a non-invasive and painless test that measures your oxygen saturation level, which is the amount of oxygen in your blood. It can quickly detect even small changes in how well oxygen is being carried to your heart, brain, or any part of your body. Why are they so useful? A pulse oximeter can indicate if you have a health problem before you begin to suffer any of the consequences. For example, dangerously low blood oxygen levels are usually associated with labored breathing. However, with many dangerous pathogens and viruses, you can still breathe comfortably, but your oxygen saturation levels will be much lower than expected. In this case, the low readings on a pulse oximeter will give you an early warning that something is wrong and you have the opportunity to seek help before your condition deteriorates. How do I interpret the readings? A pulse oximeter measures your oxygen saturation level as a percentage, the maximum being 100. According to generally accepted medical guidelines, 92% of your blood should be carrying oxygen, so you need to have a reading of 92 or above to keep your cells and your body healthy. While having an oxygen saturation percentage below this level temporarily is not thought to cause damage, consistent instances of lowered oxygen saturation can be damaging and indicate disease. An oxygen saturation level of 95% and above is considered normal for most healthy individuals. A reading below 92% indicates potential hypoxemia, which is a deficiency in oxygen reaching tissues in the body. Hypoxemia is a dangerous condition. Without sufficient oxygen, your brain, liver, and other organs can be damaged quite rapidly. Hypoxemia can also indicate that lung function has been compromised, for example, when the body has been invaded by an aggressive virus. What's the bottom line? A pulse oximeter is a small and relatively inexpensive piece of medical equipment that is widely available to buy. It can alert you to medical problems before they have a chance to affect your body. Temporary readings below 92% are not a cause for concern. However, consistent and prolonged oxygen saturation readings below this level could indicate underlying disease. In such a case, you should quickly seek advice from a trained medical professional. If you liked this video, please subscribe to Better Days, where we deliver fun and informative videos that help you become the best version of you. Till next time, have a great day.